Okay, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to get up on the roof and clean my solar panels, which has probably been the first time I've done that I'll probably do it probably about every 6 months, but I've been away for 3 months in the US working, and I've come back and it's, what is it, it's September the 21st-ish, so it's around about the equinox. So you can probably see outside that the sun is out and it's quite a glorious day. So I'm going to get up there before it gets cloudy, although you can see some cloud up in the sky there, and check off those panels. I'll show you a little video of it in a second. Okay, I think I've got everything I need. Scrubber brush. Hose, make sure the water's on. Otherwise, you get up there and you gotta come back down again. Okay, let me get up there. Okay, here are my solar panels. There's 3 of them there, and there's probably another, I don't know, 10 of them there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk up and down them with the hose just to show you how I clean them. So here is the production for the year, solar production. It's pretty much the standard sort of shape that most places will have in the world. June is obviously the lowest month because that is when it's winter here in the southern hemisphere, so you'd expect the sun to be less powerful. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and see you next time.